Let's now get a check on some of the other global headlines with our Eunice Kim standing by for us at the NewsCenter.
Eunice, the World Health Organization has issued a new, very grim warning on the Ebola outbreak as officials worldwide, from hospitals to airports, are scrambling to try and keep this virus out.
Right, the WHO is now calling Ebola the most severe public health emergency in modern times that threatens the very survival of societies and could even lead to failed states in some of the world's poorest areas. Our Connie Kim tells us more.
As far as warnings go, they don't get much starker than this. The World Health Organization says this Ebola outbreak is the most severe acute public health emergency in modern times. In a statement delivered on behalf of the WHO Director General Margaret Chan at a regional health conference in the Philippines, Chan said the epidemic could even lead to failed states. She added that the outbreak proves the world is not prepared to respond to any severe health emergency. The death toll from this outbreak surpassed 4,000 last week, but Chan did not mention latest figures, saying instead that the numbers are rising exponentially. With the epidemic seemingly spiraling out of control, London's Heathrow Airport will begin screening for Ebola on Tuesday. Around 1,000 people from Ebola-affected nations have arrived in Britain over the last month, and an estimated 85% of them entered the country via Heathrow. Through monitoring, British authorities hope to track their movement and quickly isolate a patient if they start developing symptoms. International concerns about the spread of Ebola outside of West Africa peaked earlier this week after a healthcare worker became the first person to contract the virus within the United States. Connie Kim, Arirang News.